Good morning everyone, it's your boy Rome. I want to make a really quick video to show you guys how I'm mounting the GoPro Max on my motorcycle. This is a very simple mounting system. All I have here is the GoPro mounted to a standard sticky mount, and it's mounted onto the fairing of the front of the bike. And when I add this to, let's say, my Hayabusa, it's basically the same. Let me see if I can get this off here real quick. So on the Hayabusa, I have one mount here, and it just pops right in, as you see there, and that's pretty much it. And I have it facing where I can see the screen. So that's the basics. Hope this was helpful, guys.